madness.
Hello and welcome to Tuhin's editing, and welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can export layers from Adobe Illustrator to Adobe Photoshop. So you can see I have a Illustrator document open here, and there are 60 layers here. Basically this is a animation. You can see a stopwatch animation with 60 frames for 60 seconds. So I'm going to export all the layers from Illustrator to Photoshop. So to do that, open your Adobe Illustrator document and make sure you have all the layers separated, and after that go to File, Export, Export As, and Export As you are going to select the Adobe PSD file, Photoshop.psd format, and just press on export. You will see there are some other options. Make sure you select the high 300 ppi for the best quality possible, and don't flat image. Make sure on the right layer you select maximum editability and then press OK. And you can also change the color mode. I need the RGB color mode, so I am selecting RGB. So press OK. It will take some times depending on the resolution and the file size. And the file is exported. Here is the PSD file. I'm going to drag it and open it in Adobe Photoshop. And you can see all the layers are here, and this is how you can easily transform your Adobe Illustrator layers into Adobe Photoshop, and then you can change your sizes and edit as you want. So yeah, very easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.